Hi guys.
I'll tell you what.
Here's my model. Yes. What do you want to tell me? Nothing. You just want to say I love you?
Oh, definitely.
And here's my model. Wait. I think okay, so eto na yung place, guys.
Welcome to your room.
We are ABC.
Yeah, for Christmas. Welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back to ABC. So, yun nga guys, same room ang ginamit namin here at the AV Suites. So, ang cute ng decoration, guys. Ayan. Maybe next time, we request for flowers, red roses and something. So, eto yung room, guys. Spacious. Very spacious. And that's my guy. There. And we specially requested the fan, of course.
And you got flowers by the bed, and you got flowers in the
yeah, they have flowers by the bed. No, yeah, no flowers.
here.
And another flower here. Yeah. And guys, ito yung lagyanan. No, so pwede mo ilagay yung mga materials or things. And this is the bathroom. Yeah. And ayun, may flowers ulit. So ito yung kanilang bathroom. So malinis ang bathroom. Spacious and okay with. So very nice. Satisfied, my dear?
Just.
Why? Why just satisfied?
Well, I've got to, you know, have the best for my lady.
Oh, thank you. So, I like it, and very, and I really appreciate this.
Great.
Good. And yun nga guys, this is our first night at the AV Suites. So, sinamantala na namin yung sunset guys. Makikita nyo rito na ang ganda po ng view. It's very breathtaking. Ayan. Lalo na sa gabi. Makikita nyo talaga yung sunset. Plus, the infinity pool, meron silang lights na makakadagdag ng reflection doon sa pool. Ayan. So, makikita natin guys, ayan na si Afam. And this one po is not an AI generated. Ito ay, honestly, nakuha namin talaga. Maybe because of the reflection ng lights doon sa swimming pool, plus the reflection of the sunset. So, napakaganda. Napaka-romantic guys. Lalo na sa gabi. And ito yung view ng AV Suites sa gabi. So, makikita nyo po, very relaxing. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng lugar na pwedeng makapag-relax kayo, I suggest pumunta kayo rito sa AV Suites. And this one, guys, was taken naman nung umaga. So, nung time na gusto na namin mag-breakfast. And by the way, guys, pinili namin yung my complimentary breakfast. So, ayun na si Afam. Naghihintay na ng aming breakfast. With egg and... What is that? A bacon?
That is bacon.
Bacon. And, of course, a juice. This one is... tocino. Scrambled egg. So, very nice breakfast with my lovey-dovey. So, ayun. It's my day 2. No.
Day 2.
Day 2. With a very fine breakfast.
Feels like day 200.
Day 200 already. Okay. Ang bias, ang ganda ng ayun na. At solong-solo. Solong-solo namin ang lugar. And sumikat na si Haring Araw. Ang ganda. Kahapon hindi maganda yung ang ganda oh. Paganda. And this is our first time na makita na maganda ang dagat. Walang ulan. So, eto nga guys. Eto yung kanilang counter. And pwede ka magstay dito. Hi! Hi! Hello po! Ang mga napakababait nilang crew dito sa hotel or inn. So, eto na yung buong hotel or accommodation area. But, we stay dun sa baba. Ayun. So, for now, dahil Monday, walang masyadong tao at magiging solo namin ni boyfriend Afam ang buong lugar. And here's the most pogi man in this world. Ayan, so pogi. Ayan, see? He's so pogi. Wala kaming kaagaw ngayon sa buong pool area. Solong-solo namin, guys. At ang ganda ng dagat. So, dito pa lang sa area namin, solved na. Ayun, ganda. Ganda ng lugar, guys. I guess nagustuhan ni Afam yung place. Maybe babalik kami ulit dito dahil tahimik at mababait ang mga nagtatrabaho, ang mga crew. So, etong overlooking view, guys. Ayan. Then, you gotta start swimming. Go! It's too cold. Guys, ang ganda ng view. Promise. Here's the infinity pool. Ang ganda. Yun nga lang, hindi ako pwedeng pumunta kasi mataas. Hindi ako marunong lumangoy. But the view, the ambience is so perfect for lovers. Yan. Again, nandito tayo sa AV Suites here at Puerto Galera. Our last breakfast here at AV Suites. And babalik na kami ng Metro Manila. Why you look so
Gloomy.
Yeah, so gloomy. Why?
It's my last breakfast.
Not yet. It is. You can still have a lot of breakfast.
Okay.
Yeah, hi guys. So this is our last breakfast here at the AV Suites with my dearest darling. And hey, you're stuck. Say something. You say something.
I want my breakfast.
You want your breakfast?
I'm
Okay.
hungry.
See you guys.
Video.
Hi, Mama. Kumusta ka lang dyan? Happy anniversary. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita. Sobrang. That's good. Kani salad. Tapos, eto yung the AV sweet salad. And
That's the normal pork.
this one is
Indian masala.
Indian masala.
Yeah, curry. Two good salads, huh?
They want, you want their salad?
Well, tasty, yeah. Well, I might eat this one after. The one before, or one after.
Okay. And
my light, my heart, safe place through every night.